Hi guys, this is Donna Matito, your sales consultant at Pick Abad Santos. Ngayon po ay pag-uusapan natin ang features ng interior and exterior na Expander GLS Automatic. As you can see, naka-dynamic shield design and naka-LED DRL or daytime running light, T-shaped LED headlight na rin siya at halogen fog lamp. Wheel size is 17-inch two-tone alley. Ang windshield is equipped ng sound insulating. It reduces noise from outside. Naka-integrate na rin yung turning signal light natin sa side mirror. Then smart entry or keyless na rin siya. Equipped siya with power windows and central door lock. So steering wheel is 3-spoke leather. May audio and voice control with cruise control na rin. Meter cluster as you can see. Then ang ating transmission is 4-speed automatic. With electronic parking brake and brake auto hold. Yung fabric niya is premium na rin at meron tayong armrest with 2 cup holders at meron tayong malaking storage. Let's now proceed dun sa second row. So, yung kanyang upuan still fold and tumble pa rin and malaki yung legroom natin. And additional to dun sa expander features natin, meron siyang 2 cup holder sa second row. So kung dalawa lang yung nakaupo, magagamit niyo po to. Yung third row naman po natin is spacious din. Meron tong cup holder at the side, cigarette lighter and charging station. So, maganda yan sa family or outing. Pwedeng higaan, lagyan ng bed para sa mga bata na tulugan. Sa likod naman natin is naka T-shaped LED combination lamp na rin siya. May reverse camera. Naka-integrate na rin yung spoiler niya. May yung shark's fin antenna tsaka brake light. Ito na po ang Expander GLS Automatic. For inquiries and question, you may contact me at 0917-144-5684. I'm Donna Matito and ilagay na lang po dito yung all-in ng Expander GLS Automatic.